To calculate slippage on Uniswap v3, it is essential to understand the key concepts involved in the process. Uniswap v3 is a decentralized exchange protocol that enables the trading of cryptocurrencies in a trustless and permissionless manner. Slippage refers to the difference between the expected price of a trade and the actual price at which the trade is executed. The first step in calculating slippage on Uniswap v3 is to determine the size of the trade you want to execute. This can be done by specifying the amount of the asset you want to buy or sell. Once you have determined the trade size, you need to calculate the expected price of the trade based on the current market price. The next step is to calculate the actual price at which the trade is executed. This can be done by using the Uniswap v3 protocol's pricing formula, which takes into account the trade size, the liquidity of the pool, and the current market price. The formula is based on the constant product market maker model, which ensures that the product of the reserves of the two assets in the pool remains constant. To calculate the slippage, you need to compare the expected price with the actual price at which the trade is executed. The slippage can be calculated as a percentage of the expected price, and it is typically expressed as a decimal value between 0 and 1. A higher slippage value indicates a larger difference between the expected and actual prices. For example, if you want to buy 100 units of asset A with asset B, and the expected price is 10 units of asset B per unit of asset A, but the actual price at which the trade is executed is 10.5 units of asset B per unit of asset A, the slippage would be 0.05 or 5%. This means that you paid 5% more than the expected price due to the slippage. To minimize slippage on Uniswap v3, it is essential to understand the factors that affect it, such as trade size, liquidity, and market volatility. By using limit orders, splitting trades into smaller sizes, and avoiding trading during periods of high volatility, you can reduce the impact of slippage on your trades. In conclusion, calculating slippage on Uniswap v3 requires a thorough understanding of the protocol's pricing formula and the factors that affect it. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can accurately calculate the slippage for your trades and make informed decisions to minimize its impact.